Wombat Willie presents boating tips for the frugal bastard. Hello, Yachty. When was the last time you had your bottom cleaned? Scraped? Scrubbed? I said bottom, not ass. Wrong bottoms. Cute, but wrong bottoms. You know, remove the stuff that grows there when not sailing. Little crustaceans, little green grass. Ah, that's better. Now that looks like my boat from time to time, after not being out of the marina. Scabby looking, but it'll come clean. Can you say, Dock Princess? I'm not a person who frets over the condition of his boat bottom, but I understand you have to attend to it on a regular schedule, or it will cost you to redo it later when you haul it out. I can't wait to dive into that scummy water and scrape the bottom. Now let it be known, I own scuba gear. Bought it with the idea I could clean the bottom every now and then. I don't race, so it doesn't have to be like a baby's ass. I saw others using some kind of long strap with scrubbers attached to it, but it took two people to use it, and you had problems with the keel. I also saw another gadget that was made of rubber, and it was kind of like a mop. You go under the boat. It was not very stout, couldn't get off barnacles and such, and it would get hard after about 4 uses and crack. So I came up with a Cub, a DIY project for boaters or cruisers like yourself. Cub stands for Clean Your Bottom. Now you're probably thinking, how in the hell can that clean my boat bottom? Those two tines made out of aluminum angle do a sweet job knocking off stuff, no matter where. And it'll reach all the way down to the keel and rudder. Geez, it floats well. It has to. It's filled with expandable foam, so it's always trying to surface. Start out with a PVC pipe, cut it to the proper length, secure the aluminum L bracket onto it with stainless steel screws, and then you use the PVC electrical attachment, elbow, and attach it in the middle for your handle. Next, you put an end cap on the one end and fill it with foam. It's expanding foam that you can get at any hardware store or Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. It expands and fills it up, covering every square inch inside the cylinder. Then you'll take and scrape off or cut off the top, put a little bit more on the top that's fluid, and then put the other end cap on, which seals off the other end. And now to use it. You can use it just by using it underwater with a handle, or you can attach a long handle and do it from the dock, or your dinghy from the other side of the boat. You can hear it scraping out the bottom. Makes the water line easy. I'm looking to attach a fiberglass handle to it that will reach all the way down through the keel. They can be had at a Home Depot or a Lowe's also. So what's it going to be, guys? This, a scraper from Home Depot or West Marine, or this, the Cub, cover twice the distance or area in half the time. And you get to make it yourself. Should last a long time. Next up, we have a soft scrubber, the kind that divers use on your boat bottom to take care of grass and things like that, loose hanging materials. We're also going to do one on mast steps made out of off-the-shelf material that'll last a lifetime. Costs in the neighborhood of about $100. We'll tell you where you can get everything, including the aluminum bolts. We also are going to have one on diesel to electric conversion. As you can see, there's the pictures. There's a Yanmar 29 to the right that we took out, and we replaced it with an electric on the left. We're also putting in a 24-volt solar system, charger, and AGM batteries, and we'll tell you where you can get those at a reduced price. So please like, and if you have an interest in the upcoming subjects, subscribe. That way you'll know when the videos show up. I think you have to also hit the bell to make sure that happens. But thanks for watching, and hope you come back. Cheers.